Hello, welcome to Brightline TV. In this video, we explore some interesting nature travel destinations in the northern region of Zimbabwe. The Chinhoyi Caves. Located along the A1 highway, 120 kilometers north of the capital, Harare. Inside this part of the cave, bat sounds are very audible. This is the sleeping pool, constituting crystal clear deep blue water. This pool is a very deep pool indeed, extending over 80 meters in depth. The aura and beauty of this natural spectacle simply demands respect. It is a very tranquil environment. There's a lot of interesting folklore associated with this pool and the caves, so be sure to interact with the locals to learn about these if you ever pay a visit. Further north along the A1 highway is an interesting nature conservation area, Mana Pools National Park. This is Africa's largest plant species, the Baobab tree. This park covers an area over 542,000 acres. This park is conjoined with other conservation areas next to it, creating a total over 1.6 million acres of protected wildlife conservation area within this region of Zimbabwe, giving wildlife plenty of space to roam freely with no conflict from human populations. In this area, you will find large populations of Africa's largest mammal species. There is exciting wildlife activity in every direction. A bird perching on a hippo in one direction. In another direction, an elephant having a sand bath. And another direction, a spooked impala fleeing for its life. Mana Pools constitutes the southern banks of the Zambezi River and its islands, along with some naturally formed pools. This is a wildlife paradise. The natural pools collect water in the rainy season, and as these do not drain into any river, they form bodies of water that never dry up and nourish the abundant wildlife. The pools extend the territory within which wildlife can be sustained, as animals do not only rely on being along the mighty Zambezi in order to obtain a refreshing drink under the hot African sun. This baobab tree is completely hollow on the inside. For many tree species, this would be an indisputable sign of death. But for this baobab tree, it is very much still alive, with beautiful green leaves, showing off its vibrant foliage atop. Though referred to as a tree, baobabs are in fact succulent plants, and the largest succulent species in the world. Therefore, they do not rely on a singular woody stem to stay alive. For many hippos, crocodiles, these pools are home. The Zambezi River forms the entire northern boundary of Zimbabwe, demarcating it from its neighbor, Zambia. On the other side of the river, observed by the visible mountain range, is Zambia. Further west from Mana Pools is Lake Kariba, the world's largest man-made lake and reservoir. During the course of 2024, the Kariba dam wall has been undergoing improvements. These are to protect the integrity of the dam wall foundations, along with improvements to its hydroelectric power generation capability for the two nations sharing this resource, Zimbabwe and Zambia. The dam wall also serves as a border crossing point between the two nations. Fishing vessels operate on this lake in search of freshwater sardines, locally referred to as kapenta, martemba, or same-age boys, depending on who you ask. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to
subscribe.